Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to download and install Office 365. So I already purchased Office 365. So if you did not purchase Microsoft Office 365, you can just go to office.com and you can click on Get Microsoft 365 and you can create an account. So I'm in office.com, so I'm going to click sign in here. I'm going to sign in with my account. I'm going to select no. I'm going to click don't show again. So when you get to this page on the right side, you're going to see install app. So I'm going to click on the drop down tab, and the one I'm going to install is Premium Microsoft 365 apps. So I'm going to click on that. So the Office Setup.exe file will be downloaded. So I'm going to click open. I'm going to minimize the page here. So you're going to get a box. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So it's installing, and these are all the apps it's going to install. Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Teams, and this is Publisher and Access, and also Skype. So this is going to take a few minutes to download and install. So Microsoft Office is installed. It says the Office apps are installed in your computer. I'll click close, and you're going to get notification that the installation is finished. And I'll click on Microsoft Word. So you're going to get a welcome screen. Click continue. So you're going to get this Microsoft Activate Office. You have to log in with your login information. You want to type your password. So you have to accept the license agreement. Click accept. And that's it. Microsoft Office is installed. And on top on the right side, your name will appear. So that's how you can download and install Microsoft Office. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.